Magre-review ako ng perfume, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. Ang bango. Hindi na ako magsasalita. Yun na yun. Hi guys! So, magre-review ako ng perfume, Dolce & Gabbana Light. Isa to sa mga classic and very famous na fresh summer scent. And yes, I can say na this is really doing the job. Sharing.
Okay, so sa first spray mo, maamoy yung green apple and lemon. And then, very fresh, citrus, clean, perfect for hot weather kasi hindi siya overpowering. So, bagay siya sa Philippines and Middle East country as well.
Mas mabango siya habang tumatagal. Mas nagiging clean, smooth, and super easy to wear. Yung tipong amoy mayaman, pero hindi trying hard.
And the heart notes are white rose and jasmine. So, habang tumatagal, mas nag-aamoy feminine and elegant siya. Yung base notes naman niya is cedarwood, amber, and musk. So, habang nagda-dry down siya, mas nag-aamoy clean and like fresh from the shower vibe. For everyday. Ano siya? Very classic talaga siya. Kung bibili ako ulit nito, I think yes. I'm gonna buy it. So, perfect siya for summer wear, for dates, for school, office. First time ko to ginamit on public dito sa Middle East, sa metro station. So, di ganyan, pumasok ako metro station. Actually, pangalawang transfer ko na yun. Doon ako sa likod nung babae, umupo. And then, lumabas na ako ng metro. Then, may nag-approach sa akin. Sabi niya, you're the one smelling perfume, right? Sabi niya ganun. Akala ko ayaw niya, baka sabihin niya na masyadong strong yung perfume. Pero, sabi ko, yes, why? Tapos, sabi niya, can I know what perfume are you wearing? Can I have a photo? Oh, sabi ko, okay. And, dala ko naman siya. Pero niya. So, ayun, hindi ko rin expect actually. First time ko siya isuot is magkakaroon ako ng compliment agad.
Kung gusto mong mag-amoy fresh, clean, at bagong ligo, ito na yun. Wait! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and let me bring you more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.